afford to be careless or wasteful with resources. This is particularly true for vital food. And yet, climate change can be attributed in large part to food waste. Therefore, one focus of our innovation work is to save precious water and counteract production-related food wastage. Our latest can filler, the Module Block FSC, has been fitted by our developers in an extra small clean room, so that it uses only the smallest amounts of media for cleaning. Our aseptic systems fill even the most sensitive beverages in a microbiologically safe manner, thus ensuring a long shelf life. And our fully automated intralogistics systems ensure that the consumer products are delivered at the ideal time, and thus available at the point of sale in all their freshness for as long as possible.